Hello, welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. It's almost 12 and it's Richa's birthday today, 4th December. मैं बोलने वाली थी go wish her, but तब तक निकल चुका होगा. Wish her belated happy birthday, okay? जो भी है, I'm gonna make a mug cake very fast right now. मेरे पास सिर्फ 10 मिनट है and then I'm gonna go surprise her. Guys, this looks so freaking beautiful. I just hope कि ये कड़वा ना हो, like ये enough sweet हो. Let's just hope that and run. I'm late. Okay, honestly, this wasn't the worst job I've ever done at wrapping presents. I used this Insta reel पे gift wrapping hack था, वो देख के मैंने ये किया है. I'll link it below for all my fellow people who don't know how to wrap properly. And now, good night. First task today is to go to the doctor and just figure out my ear situation and hopefully get rid of it. Hello, I came back from the doctor and I'm clearly crying, which means it did not go well. I'm not gonna tell the details because I don't think I want my medical history on the internet, but it's bad, it's really bad, and let's just hope it doesn't get worse, otherwise it's gonna be really bad. And I know this may sound stupid, but I just wanna say it out loud. I am sad that this is happening, obviously, but मैं और ज़्यादा sad and annoyed हूँ that it's happening in December. It's my favorite month. It's Christmas time. I don't like it. Yeah, I am done crying. I have accepted my fate and I'm gonna ignore it as usual. Now I was thinking कि मैं रचा के बर्थडे पे क्या पहनूं, and I know कि मैं अपने बालों के साथ can I stand? Yeah, okay. So I know कि मैं अपने बालों के साथ कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी because of my ears. So I think I'm gonna wear a dress and a basic denim jacket. It's like a cute basic outfit. Let me show you the dress. Wait. It's a very simple maroon dress, और उसके साथ I'm thinking of wearing this denim jacket. It'll look cute, nice, है ना? And I don't know मैं बालों के साथ क्या करूँ. I think I can make a high pony and make sure कि वो इस side ना आए, or I can just make a bun. But then I look like an egg. So we'll see what I end up doing. It's not the same, but it's something that you don't have for sure. I know.
Because it's grey and I don't have it.
मैं स्पेशली तेरे कवर में झाँक के गई थी, पता है एक दिन उसके पास तो थी वहाँ पे. तूने खुद ही अपना कोट का पूरा टूर टाइप दिया था मेरे पास. ये
All she wanna do is dance. All she wanna do is dance. she wanna do is dance.
वो वीडियो कौन रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है वो?
Stay up till the sun come out and let the sunlight hit my face.
Hello, hi, I am back from Richa's place. It was a really fun, sweet party and I really enjoyed it and I know कि उसको भी काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. So that makes me really happy. और अभी मेरे को जल्दी से Instagram के लिए एक reel edit करना है. And you know what? That reel is one of the cafes I went to with my friends. I want to talk to you guys about that cafe. It's my favorite cafe right now in Delhi. मैं आजकल ऐसे कभी कभी स्टोरी आर्ट करने लगी हूँ रील पे कुछ बनाना. इट्स वेरी एवरेज. आई एम नॉट दैट ग्रेट एट इट बट इट्स फन. लाइक टुडे वाज फन. इट्स टाइम टू ओपन फोर्थ गिफ्ट. It's like Richa's birthday but I'm getting a gift. Okay. Your hair looks out of control today. Tie them. Ooh, I like this one. Wow, I love scrunchies. Scrunchies are the best. Look at this floral pattern. This is so pretty. Thank you, Richa, for this. I think I'm gonna end the vlog. I don't have much to do. I just have to sit and edit. So, see you tomorrow.